Everybody, it's Johnny 5. In this video, I'll do a review video of this light I got. This light is called a hybrid light. I got it off eBay, like around $20. It's a solar powered light, which is pretty cool. As you can see, the red light's charging. There's a solar panel right there. And it's collapsible. It's pretty bright. It's LED. You press it, and it has like 3 settings. Well, 2 settings, but still pretty neat. It is a useful light for emergencies, for a vehicle, for a house, anything. And yeah, it's weird looking, but the solar panel is pretty nice on it. All you need to do is put it next to a window in the sun, and it charges. And no need for batteries, because it's rechargeable. It is USB powered as well. So you plug into a computer, outlet, anything, and it charges too. And the benefit of these, it's good for camping, it's great for personal use, emergencies, all kinds of stuff. So if you want one of these, I'll put a link in the description. It'll be an affiliate link from eBay. And if you want one, that once you buy it, some money goes to me, so it'll help me out if you want to do that. And it's a good brand. And looking up, here's the name of it right here. Hybrid Light, Bright Thinking. And they have all the different colors and kinds. So again, I'll put a link in the description below. If you have any questions or want to see more review videos, I have a few on my channel already. And I have a lot of cool products to do this with. So here it is in collapsible form. The light I just did a review on. So it's to be added to it. It's collapsible and it still works as good like this. I prefer it like this because it's still bright. And it still charges with the USB and the solar panel above. So another option you can do. And it's very useful, this thing. I'm very surprised how well it works. And I definitely recommend this product.